Well, good afternoon everyone. This is just a quick video. I just want to go through this box here just quickly, just to give you an idea. I want some tips for anyone who lives in South Australia. I need to know what to do with this. Now, basically, I got all these from a friend of mine. He had a pickup at a business site. And these are all obviously locked, I'd say, these phones, and he always gives them to me, but I can't do anything with them really. I can't resell them. Well, there's nothing in that box anyway. Hello, what's here? I'm looking this one together. Hello. Looks like an iPhone in this one. Just rip him out. Yep, there we go. iPhone, how's that? Huh. Looks like a 6 or a 7 or something. That's alright. Now if they're locked, I used to have one of these years ago. Yeah, very durable phone. They go anywhere and do anything, these ones. But yeah, I can't do anything with them. They're locked. Oh, brand new. Look at that. Unopened. Unbelievable. Yeah, I can't resell them. Oh, Samsung. It's alright. Oh, another iPhone box. Yeah, there's lots of was in there. Oh yeah, there we go. Another one. Yeah, I can't resell them. So, how do I get money in South Australia for these items? Now, I don't want a lot of cash, but I mean, I'm in this to make a quid. So if you live in South Australia, can you give me a message? Send me a message and let me know what you think. What can I do with them? What's this one here? Oh, this one hasn't even been used. It's brand new. It's still got the stickers on it. Oh wow. Oh wow. Now these cables, they're fine for me to do. I'll just cut the plugs off and geez, there's a lot of plugs, a lot of cable in there. But anyway, like I say, if you live in that, particularly Adelaide, what can I do with these fellas here? Where can I unload them and sort of not get into trouble? I don't want to get his business into trouble, or you know, the company that he got them from. But anyway, that's it. If you've got any ideas, just give me a buzz. Thanks very much.